Dear students, today we are discussing about how to solve any quadratic equation. So ವರ್ಗ ಸಮೀಕರಣ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದೇವೆ ವರ್ಗ ಸಮೀಕರಣವನ್ನ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಈಜಿಯಾಗಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So first of all, quadratic equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus equal to 0. So ಯಾವುದೇ ವರ್ಗ ಸಮೀಕರಣಗಳಿಗೆ ಎರಡು ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. We have two roots for any quadratic equation. So our roots are alpha and beta. We are assuming that those two roots are alpha and beta. So ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಗ ಸಮೀಕರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಎರಡು ಉತ್ಪನ್ನಗಳು ಇರ್ತವೆ. So we have two roots for any quadratic equation. Therefore, assume that alpha and beta are the two roots of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus equal to 0. First of all, I will take x square plus 8x plus 15 equal to 0. So, our forming comparison part. So, what is the value of a? 1. Coefficient of x square is 1. There is nothing means x square coefficient is actually 1. Next, x coefficient b value of. So, x coefficient is 8. B equal to 8. Constant c equal to 15. So ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ x square coefficient a value, x coefficient b value and whatever the number here that is constant c. Therefore x square coefficient 1, x coefficient 2 and constant is 15. Next one is step in the formula. Step 1. So step 1 is ನೋಡ್ರಿ capital X equal to root minus b by 2a minus b place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ನಾವು 8 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ by 2 into a ಅಂದ್ರೆ a is 1 whole square minus c by a 15 by a 1 2 ones are 2 fours are therefore root minus 2 by 1 whole square. So what is minus 4 by 1? So minus 4 by 1 is nothing but minus 4 only. Therefore minus 4 square 60. 15 by 1 means 15 into minus 15. Therefore we get root 1 is equal to 1. Therefore capital X becomes 1. Is it clear? Second step, step 2, alpha equal to minus b by 2a. This is nothing but minus b by 2a. So in a number ಬಂದು ಅದೇ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು minus 4 ಇದೆ. Therefore minus b by 2a place ಹೋದ್ರೆ minus 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ plus x value ಏನಿದೆ 1 minus 4 plus 1 becomes minus 3 and another root beta equal to again minus b by 2a. So ಇದು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಬಂದಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು minus b by 2a ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಾವು minus 4 again you make it minus 1 one time ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ plus 1 ಮಾಡಿ so ಮತ್ತೆ minus it becomes minus 5. Therefore roots are minus 3 and minus 5. Minus 3 and minus 5 are the roots. Next one, try yourself. X square plus 4x minus 12 equal to 0. X square plus 4x minus 12 equal to 0. So first A, B, C values were already. First we take values of A, B, C, compare with the general form. Coefficient of x square is nothing but 1. That is the value of A. Coefficient of x 4. That is the value of B. And now constant is minus 12. Constant is minus 12. Follow the step 1. Step 1, x equal to minus b, right? Minus b yesterday 4 is there, divided by 2 into a. This is nothing but minus b by 2a whole square minus c by a. C is minus 12 by a. A is 1. Or this is 2 1s are 2 2s are. That becomes minus 2 by 1 minus 2 by 1. Minus 2 by 1 is minus 2. Therefore minus 2 bracket or minus 2 1 minus 2 square 1 minus 2 square is 4 minus 12 by 1 minus 12 by 1 is minus 12 bracket or minus 12 bರುತ್ತೆ minus into minus plus 12. This is equal to root 16. So what is square root of 16? 4. Therefore, capital X and the value 4 ಅಂತ consider ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Second step ಏನಿದೆ alpha equal to minus b by 2a. So ಇದು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ ಅದು minus b by 2a ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. So your bracket ಒಳಗೆ ನಮಗೆ minus 2 ಬಂದಿದೆ. Therefore minus b by 2 is take minus 2 plus x. Once you take 4, then it becomes 2. Minus 2 plus 4 2. And beta equal to, so again beta is minus b by 2a. This form minus b by 2a in comparison not. So the bracket was here minus b by 2a value. So we have minus 2. Again keep as it is minus 2. So one time x is plus multiply. Next time will minus multiply. Minus 4. Minus 2 minus 4 becomes so minus 6. Therefore roots are 2 minus 6. This method is applicable for any type of quadratic equations. ಎಷ್ಟೇ difficult ಇರಲಿ ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಈಜಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆದಾಗ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Third one, x square minus 10x plus 21 equal to 0. Try yourself. First you take the values of A, B, C. A, B, C values ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. Write the values of A, B, C. X square coefficient A value. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ A becomes 1. X coefficient B value minus 10. and C constant, that is 21. Following step 1. Perfect ಇದನ್ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ x equal to first minus ಇದು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Next minus b ಅಂತ. So b value is minus 10. B value is before minus e minus ಬಂದಿರಬೇಕು. Next ಇಲ್ಲಿ b ಇದೆ. b is minus 10 divided by 2a whole square minus c by a. Is clear? So given actually b minus so the bracket hakione. The next step minus into minus plus means 10 by 2 whole square minus 21 by 1 becomes 21. Bracket or 21 after into minus 21, or this is 2 5s are, then it becomes bracket becomes 5 square 25 minus 21 4 becomes root 4 becomes 2. Therefore we have x equal to 2. Second step ಒಳಗೆ alpha equal to ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅದು minus b by 2 ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ 5 ಇದೆ. Therefore you write 5 plus x means 7 and beta equal to 5 minus 1 minus 2 negative. So the x ಏನು ಬಂದಿರ್ತದ one time bracket ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ನಂಬರ್ ಅದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ bracket ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ನಂಬರ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ x. So these are the roots are 7, 3. 2x square plus 5x minus 3 equal to 0. So next one try ಮಾಡೋಣ. 2x square plus 5x minus 3 equal to 0. Write the values of A, B and C. A equal to 2 x square coefficient ಹೋದರೆ A value, B equal to 5 x coefficient and C equal to this time minus, get minus 3. Step 1 follow ಮಾಡಿ. X equal to root minus b 5 by 2 a is 2 whole square minus c is minus 3 by a 3 by 2. Then it becomes root minus 5 by 4 whole square minus into minus plus 3 by 2. Root minus 5 square 25 4 square 16 plus 3 by 2. A by b whole square, a by b whole square is equal to a square by b square. So ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. a by b whole square ಆಗ್ತದೆ a square by b square. Therefore 5 square 25 4 square 60. Next LCM ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಬೆಟರ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ into 2 into 16. ಇವೆರಡು ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡಿ 32 25 into 2 50 3 into 16 48 50 plus 48 becomes 98 25 into 2 50 3 into 16 48 ಅವೆರಡು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇವೆರಡು ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೊ ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 2 16 49 means 49 by 16 root ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತದೆ 7 by 4 this is x x becomes 7 by 4 next write alpha and beta the second step alpha equal to bracket ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ minus 5 by 4 plus ಇದು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 7 by 4 so everything denominator same one therefore you take 4 minus 5 plus 7 becomes 2 we get 1 by 2 and another one beta so again in bracket na ಏನದು select ಮಾಡಿ minus 5 by 4 this time minus 1 denominator ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದ take 4 minus 5 minus 7 minus 12 ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತದೆ minus 3 therefore roots are 1 by 2 minus 3 next one 5x square plus 6x plus 1 equal to g try ಮಾಡೋಣ a b c ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ 1 ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ take the values of a b c a equal to 5 b equal to 6 c equal to 1 step 1 x equal to root minus b by 2a whole square minus c by a 2 1 2 3 then it becomes minus 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 whole square 3 square as well as 5 square minus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5 better here into ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 125 ಆಗ್ತದೆ cross multiplication into 5 into 25 means 45 minus 25 20 by 125 5 4 5 25 so what is the square root of 4 by 25 that is 2 by 5 2 by 5 minus b by 2a So 200 to represent, we have minus 3 by 5 here. Minus 3 by 5, but we want to make it square. So ಇದು minus 3 ಗೆ square ಆಗಿ 9 ಆಗ್ತದೆ, 5 square ಆಗಿ 25, minus 1 by 5. Next, better 25 denominator ಎಲ್ಲ into ಮಾಡಿ cross multiply ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಜಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 45 minus 25, 20 by 1 25, 4 by 25 root is 2 by 5. Next you write in the second step alpha ಬರೀರಿ. alpha means bracket ನಾಗ ಇರೋದ್ರಿ. So bracket ನಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬಂದ್ರೆ simplify ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, minus 3 by 5. You take minus 3 by 5 plus 2 by 5. Denominator ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದಾವೆ. So the 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, minus 3 plus 2 becomes minus 1. So one of the root is minus 1 by 5. And another root beta equal to, take the same number minus 3 by 5. This time make it minus 2 by 5. So ಎರಡು का denominator छेद, ಎರಡು का denominator same अदा. So write once and above the way. Next minus 3 minus 2 becomes minus 5. So we cancel out it. We have minus 1. Therefore roots are minus 1 by 5 and minus 1. These are the